Hey, good morning guys. I'm with my son. So we are here in this SBP. We are just buying shoes for Paul. And then so here, yeah, SBP. We're buying shoes together with my Paul and my wife. So yun, bili-bili po tayo ng sapatos nito kasi yung sapatos niya medyo alam niya na pagbata. Alam niya pagbata madaling mapudpud. So say hi po.
Hi.
Guys, we're buying shoes for him to use it in soccer, because we really like soccer. Okay. Oh guys, so Paul got a new shoes right now. It's a night. The new shoes reveal of Paul. Oh yeah. So we got the shoes guys. Here. I got this shoes. Yeah, let's try. Pero okay na to, size 8, walang 7.5 guys eh. Pero okay naman siya, hindi naman siya masikip. Try. So yung mga ibang pinabili namin.
By the way guys, these are my real shoes.
Yeah.
Not that dirty brownish one.
Yeah, that's gonna be like indoor and outdoor shoes for soccer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, indoor and outdoor shoes. So ito yung mga nabili namin na iba. Yan. Tapos meron pa. Hindi ko pa alam yung nabili ni Mrs. na sapato. Ayun, namimili pa. Let's try guys. So see you soon.
Boom.
Ito guys, dito ngayon kami sa Walmart. Actually, katatapos lang namin mag-lunch pero it's almost 4 o'clock. Yan na. Yung magina ko lang doon pa kumakain sa loob. So Walmart at the same time may McDonald's. Kaya grocery yun magina ko. So grocery na rin kami para pagkatapos nito uwi na rin naman. Yeah. So guys, we are in Walmart and we're gonna have our grocery for the whole week na stock namin. Yeah. So, yeah. Guys, ito guys, parating lang namin, no? So yung magina ko nauna na sa taas. Ito yung mga pinamili. So actually kakargo natin sa wagon. I-reveal natin yung mga pinamili na ipapadala sa Pilipinas. Yeah, at the same time mga chocolate, mga kape, yun na rin, hindi mawawala sa ating mga Pilipino yung kape saka sukal kasi nga po parang nagmamahala na yung mga bilihin sa Pilipinas. Ito, bumili na rin ng mga sapatos. Yan kailangan namin kasi Paul lumalaki, and then at the same time ako naman yung sapatos ko kuminsan hindi ako bumibili kasi nga gawa ng mga alaga ni Mrs. Kung may binibigay yun, sinasamantala na lang natin. Kaya nagawid kami sa SBP yun. So guys, reveal natin sa taas. Guys, so this is the shoes that we buy it for. This is Paul's shoes. Yeah. And then I get some t-shirts. Yeah. And then as well as the socks over there. Yeah. Yung socks na rin. Yeah. Guys, so grocery, yung chocolate maya tingnan natin.